Hey everyone, welcome to the Syntax Avi. In today's fast-paced world, speed is everything. Whether it's catching a bus or mastering new skills, being quick can make all the difference. If we miss the bus, we lose our seat. If we're slow in learning new skills, we risk losing out on job opportunities. This is something we've experienced firsthand. We realized that our struggles stemmed from poor skills and a lack of guidance. That's why we decided to help others who are in the same boat. Introducing the Syntax Savi, your guide to making your coding journey simpler and more effective. We're here to combine our experience with expert guidance to help you succeed. On this channel, we'll cover full-stack development, front-end and back-end, the roadmap to success, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, bootstrap coding, handwritten notes, materials and PDFs, projects to boost practical knowledge, and essential resources. All of this is completely free. All we ask for is your time and dedication. Subscribe to our channel, follow our content, and practice regularly. Success doesn't come easy. There are no shortcuts. You've got to take the stairs. There will be no lift for success. You have to take the stairs. Stick with us. Believe in our process. And let's achieve your goals together. This is your buddy, signing off. Thank you. Have a great day.